Hello guys, I have a 7-1 Ford Maverick. I bought this parking brake lever a few months ago. It was really rust and I could recover the parts, but it's been a while since I touched this for the last time. It took me some time to remember how to put all the parts together, so I decided to record this short video just to, in case you're in the same situation as I was, how to find it. I didn't find any video in YouTube on how to assemble this. So those are the parts you need. It's the wheel, 2 pins, retainer, a spring, and this is the locker. So the first part is easy. You're just gonna put a wheel back in place. This is the pin that holds the wheel, and then I have the retainer here. So piece of cake. And then this is probably the trickiest part, because you have this retainer here that, let me try to show you better, but there's a spring that needs to go in place. So you're gonna put the spring here and then put the locker in place, and then the spring need to goes in that fender there. Gonna get a screwdriver and try to put this in place. Hopefully you can see. Yeah, that's it. So now we have tension. Okay, so then you can put the handle in place. You need to hold this and put it in place. The pin, the locker here. This will limit the movement, and that's it. Now it doesn't go back. You need to twist a little bit to release the brake. Yeah, here you can see. Thank you.